You're so beautiful. Hey guys, I just feel weird. It looks weird in my eye. Maybe because I didn't roll it well. By the way, I got these coils with these rollers, and now I think I'm going to use my hands to like touch the coil. I'm going to use this Luda, whatever it is, serum or whatever. It smells nice. I like the fragrance. It smells nice, so I'm going to do that. I want to film a sit down video. It's been so long. At this point I feel like my channel is now a vlog channel, but there's something that I've been discussing with my husband recently. Like I've just been telling you, like I've noticed it that I don't really remember things. I hardly remember things. Like if you go to my phone, especially this phone, whenever I have something to do, like if I want to do something tomorrow, I'll have to write down everything down to details, things I need to do tomorrow, and I'll write down every single thing I want to do, and then I'll set reminders on my phone, you know, because I know that if I don't do it, I'll most likely not remember. And this is something that has been happening to me since after I gave birth, especially since after my second baby. I think like this is okay to just give it a different look. I think this is perfect. Now that I applied this, it doesn't really look crazy anymore. So since after my second pregnancy, I noticed that I don't really remember things. Sometimes my husband and I will talk about me doing something, or you know, stuff like that, and I'll end up not doing it, and when he asks, I'll be like, I did not remember, you know. So sometimes you want to cause a little misunderstanding, but I had to go online to search for it, like what is the cause of this forgetfulness, and they linked it to childbirth, to postpartum and stuff like that. And I think one day too, I was going through TikTok and someone was talking about how she almost got blind and stuff like that, and you know, so yeah, I just felt like I'm going to make a video about it, just in case it happens to someone and the person is not even aware. You know, different things that comes with childbirth, that comes with pregnancy. After pregnancy, it's not even when you're pregnant, you don't even notice it when you're pregnant, it's after you've given birth. Anyways, that's what I want to talk about in the video, and I just felt to, you know, start a vlog and just give you guys a behind the scene. Let me turn on. Is there a difference in my video? I just turned on my ring light so I can start making my video. Let me not vlog so much because of space, guys. Let me, oh, I've not worn jewelry. Well, I've one necklace, but I've not worn others. Let me do that and talk to you guys later. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Give the video a thumbs up and go watch the sit down video because it will be up before this vlog. I like my hair. I'll leave it. You're going to be hearing a lot of calm down, stop that. I think I need to shut this window. I have to shut that window because there are a lot of people talking from outside and it's gonna disturb us. Anyways, like I said, you're going to be hearing a lot of stop that, calm down, because for one, Neto is here, and I'm sure by the time Kaito looks around and he doesn't see Neto, he's gonna come looking for him. So let's quickly unbox. So I got some things from Shein, I got some skincare, I got, you know, random stuff. Let me just show you guys. First of all, guys, I got this tote bag. You guys know that I've been in the hunt for tote bag, right? I've gone to a lot of shops in Abia. I knew it. Kaito is here now. And now that he's here, okay. And now that Kaito is here, let the chaos begin. Anyways, you guys know that I've been in, maybe you don't know, but I've been in hunt, okay, for a tote bag, a good tote bag. I have gone to shops I've looked for and I didn't see, so I was scrolling through Shein and I found this. I saw pink, I saw black, but I just felt like buying it in black, it will be too simple, you know. So I like it. I like the curved, the rushed edges, you know. It's not just a plain shape. I really like it, and I love the material. There's nothing like peeling. I don't know the material that is this, but I really love it. This is exactly the tote bag I was looking for. The color, I like that it's pink. You know, whatever I'm wearing and I carry this bag, it's just going to be a pop of color for my outfit. So anyways, all of these I bought them and they were sent to Enugu. My sister is my personal shopper. A lot of you ask me how I shop from Shein. My sister is a personal shopper for a lot of people, right? She sells outfits from all of these websites: Shein, ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, all of these websites, right? She has a boutique where she sells those stuff, and if you want her to be your personal shopper as well, she would be. So I use her to shop from Shein and all these other places. You know, whenever I want something, because I'm her sister, I'll just log into her account, select what I want, then transfer the money to her, and she will shop with her own card. However she does it, I don't know. So that's the benefit, because a lot of you ask. So I shopped from Shein. I got this tote bag, and then I got a, what's this thing called again? Cluster lash, right? So I said I'm going to try if I can fix it by myself. I don't want to open it now because I don't think I'm going to try to fix it, but I wish it was turned forward. But anyways, it has the remover, the bond, everything for fixing it. Yeah, I got the complete set so I can try to DIY my lashes. Then I got phone cases, of course. Why will you shop from Shein? Kaito, I don't want disturbance now. You people should go and play. Sorry. Oh yeah, come back. Sorry. Anyway, so I got phone cases for my 2 phones, because you can't shop on Shein and not shop what's it called, phone cases. Then I also got, why are you crying? Shebi, I allowed you. Oh yeah, take. You like it? I also got hair bands, you know, so I will not be packing my hair with rubber bands, because that thing cuts hair and it's not aesthetically pleasing. Then I also got some outfits, of course. You know, enter Shein and you not pick 1 or 2. Oh my gosh, I like this. I wanted to go for sleeveless because I have been quite insecure about my arms, right? I don't have a small arm. In fact, I have big arms, right? And even when I try to lose weight, it's always difficult to lose, right? So I mostly don't buy or shop sleeveless outfits, right? But sometimes I'll just tell myself, see, you have to embrace yourself, love yourself, okay? Anyway, so I decided to get sleeveless, and I searched, and I like how this one is not just plain. It has this beautiful stuff here. If I still have the picture of the outfit, I'll most likely put it on the screen for you guys. And then I got this basic top, because I don't have a basic top. I have things that look like basic top, but I don't really have a proper basic top, and I don't want to buy black because black is too basic. And recently I'm trying to like stay away from black a little bit, not because I realized that sometimes when I shop for outfits, majority of my outfits will be black. Why? And the weather is hot in Nigeria. Anyways, I got this. I got it in what is it? Sorry. I got it in 2XL, and with the look of it, it's definitely going to fit. Then I got this I've forgotten what this thing is called, the proper name for it, but this stuff that looks like a jacket but is actually a top. Yes, my love. Okay, I don't know what he's showing me. I got it in 2XL. Yeah, I like it. And then guys, I got skincare products. My toner finished, and guys, well, I have 2 reasons for buying this toner. I changed my toner. One is when I went for my sister's wedding, when we packed and left the house. Yes, I should open it for you. My Oga said I should open it. Who am I not to open it, man? After all, it's phone case. Oh, I love the feel. The only thing I don't like is that this is transparent. With time now, it's going to change color. Oh yeah, take. The time it will change color, but I like the casing, and I like the good things are coming that was written on it. Anyways, as I was saying, when I went for my sister's wedding, I packed my skincare in a Ziploc bag, but I did not now put it in my box. So when I went there, I had to be using my sister's and my auntie's skincare products, right? So she gave me her toner to use when we, after the wedding, I used her toner. She said I should use it to wipe off my makeup first, then use it after bathing again. And I really liked the toner, right? I was like, oh, I love this toner, but then it didn't come to my mind to buy until when my toner Good Molecules finished. And when I went to get skincare products, I asked them how much, and it was almost 30,000. Something that when I bought, I think the last time I bought that toner, well, when I bought it too, so it lasted for a very long time. When last I bought that toner, I think it was either 18,000, 18,500 or 19. It wasn't up to 20,000, but like 18,000. And this time around it was almost 30k. I think she said 29 something, and I'm sure if I go now it I'll use 30,000 like for toner that I rub on my face. God of Israel. That was when I now reboots, my brain now reboots, and I remembered that my auntie's toner, I had to call her and ask her for the name and the price range. It was very affordable, so we ordered it from Lagos because we couldn't find it anywhere. I didn't find it in Abia. My sister checked in Enugu, she didn't find it. So my auntie now gave us her skincare vendor in Lagos, and all of us ordered. So like I said, everything went to Enugu, and then they sent my own to me. So this is the toner. Kudi facial toner, oil control. I have oily skin, so it's perfect. Green tea and lemon. I think it has another variant, I can't remember, but this was the exact one my auntie used. So what is it now? Anyway, so I got the toner, and then I got a body scrub. I've always wanted to get the body scrub. I was, leaning towards getting Dove because I heard that Dove is smooth on the skin. I really don't like scrubs that are so harsh on the skin. But my sister recommended this one. She got fat. All of us, my two sisters, three of us got this scrub. So this one is Cosmo Green Tea Face and Body Scrub. I use it for only my body. I don't really scrub my face. My cleanser is an exfoliating cleanser, so I don't really think it's necessary to exfoliate my face. Okay, you can open. This is what it looks like. And I like it because I was like, I hope the scrub is gentle and soft. I don't want all those scrub that used to be like you're applying sand on your body. This looks creamy. And it smells really nice. It smells like cream. I like it. I like the fragrance and the texture. That was what I was after. Not to be scrubbing your skin with sand, something that is as rough as sand. I don't like that. Anyways, guys, that is all for my unboxing. Why is it that when you buy plantain chips outside, it's always very crispy and crunchy? But I don't like buying plantain chips outside because most times when I'm done eating it, it gives me heartburn, and sometimes I don't really enjoy it. Aside from the crunchiness that I enjoy, I don't like the taste because the taste I get from the oil is like this old oil that we reuse constantly. But if you fry plantain in your house, it will not be that crunchy. Why? It's not as crunchy and crispy as outside plantain chips. It's very sweet, but that crunchiness, I'm not getting it. Why? And I tried to cut it as tiny as possible. But even outside ones, some of them are not as tiny, but it's very crunchy. I don't know why.